This video has been recorded in the Shona language. If you are interested in the contents of this video, but you do not understand the Shona language, you can indicate in the comment section, and I'm going to prepare a video in the English language which contains the same contents. Thank you. Nasi tinoda kuintroduce a new initiative. Initiative inonzi mathematical concepts. We have mathematical concepts 1. Toda kudiscussa andinoti tricks. Tricks aya toda kutarisa sin of theta, chada kutarisa zvakare cos theta netan theta, where theta is equal to 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Toda kudzidza kuti tunowana sei sin 30 degrees, sin 60 degrees, sin 90 degrees, cos 30, cos 60, cos 90, then tan 30, tan 60, tan 90. Zvatinoita ndezvekuti we take an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Saka equilateral triangle, as the name suggests, is a triangle with equal sides. And because the sides are equal, zvinoreva kuti ma interior angles e equilateral triangle anenge ari equal zvakare. Saka we are going to assume kuti each side is 2. Saka kunoku kuside ndi 2, kuside uku ndi 2 zvakare, kuside uku ndi 2. Then, as a rule, the interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Saka panapa tine 60 degrees, apa tine 60 degrees, apa zvakare tine 60 degrees. Then toda kuisa a perfect bisector, which is a perpendicular line from the apex of the triangle, ichiuya kuchi, ichita meet perpendicularly the horizontal base of the triangle. So because this is an equilateral triangle, zvinoreva izvo kuti since panapa from this point to this point yanga iri 2, zvoreva kuti here it's going to be 1, here is also going to be 1. In like manner, since this angle, this interior angle yanga iri 60 degrees, here it's going to be 30 degrees, here it's also going to be 30 degrees. Then this perfect bisector is meeting perpendicularly. Kachiti meeting perpendicularly, trikuti meeting at 90 degrees. Saka panapa, it's 90, it's a right angle. Here it's also a right angle. So this is the model we are going to use. Remember, toda kutsvaga the sine, the cos and the tan of 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. After this, we are going to employ the Chashotawo. This is a very important mnemonic in trigonometry. Chashotawo. Chashotawo inoti cos of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Sine of theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And then the tan of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Saka vamwe vanoshandisa vanoti SOHCAHTOA. This is the same mnemonic but said differently. But ndichashandisa Chashotawo. Saka zvirikuitika panapa ndezvekuti in this mnemonic, the interpretation of the mnemonic. Kachiti mnemonic tingoreva ma letters akaarrangewa in a specific way or a special way to denote certain information. Matrix atoshandisa kurangarira zvinhu like Chashotawo. Saka tichati adjacent is going to be the numerator dividing hypotenuse. This will be cos theta. The same happens, opposite of hypotenuse is sine and opposite of adjacent is the tan. So I'm going to assume that you understand how to use Chashotawo, because at this level of trigonometry, zvatoda kudzidza zvinoda munhu ane a knowledge, a basic knowledge of trigonometry. So I'm going to assume, but if you do not understand this mnemonic or where it applies or how it is used, you can indicate in the comment section. Then tichagadzira a specific video explaining the mnemonic and its applications. Tichagadzira video rinotsanangura chashotawe inoshanda sei uye inoshandiswa papi. Ngatienderei mberi. Chimwe chandinoda kutaura tisati tatanga kutsvaga masaini nemakosi nematani ndechekuti triangle yedu iyi makaitarisa tati it's an equilateral triangle. Hazvina basa kuti triangle yedu ishi waisa length yechii kunoku. Unogona kushandisa 3 so long wangoti 3 3 apa inenge ya 3/2 3/2. Unogona kushandisa 10 so long wangoti 10 10 apa 5 apa 5. Saka let us now find kuti this line, perpendicular line ndiyani. Let us now find kuti perpendicular line ndiyani. Ngatingoti ndi x. We need to find out kuti x ndiyani anditi. So in finding out x, since apa tatova a right angled triangle, we have two sides and a missing side. We are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Saka Pythagoras theorem inoti hypotenuse squared it's equal to a squared plus b squared. In our case, hypotenuse is the longest side which is opposite the right angle. Saka ndi 2 squared and is equal to a wedu ava 1 squared plus then x squared. What is 2 squared? 2 squared ndi 4 is equal to 1 squared ndi 1 plus x squared. The transference across the equal sign, changing arithmetic sign, kureva kuti ichaita 4 minus 1 is equal to x squared. 4 minus 1 is 3 is equal to x squared. Therefore x is equals to root of 3. Saka pana papa ndi root of 3. And we should also take note kuti this perpendicular line, triangle yedu iyi, right angled triangle iri kuside uku, which is my left, yakafanana ne right angled triangle iri kunoku, which is my right. Saka that line is common for both triangles. Both triangles are sharing the same perpendicular height. Let me give credence, let me give weight, let me explain why ndati hazvina basa kuti washandisa length ipi so long waita make sure kuti every side is the same length. Ngatiti wanga washandisa length of 10. This is our equilateral triangle. Washandisa 10 panapa. Panapa 10. So what apa ndi 5, apa ndi 5. Of course apa ndi 60. Apa ndi 30. 30. Apa ndi 60 zvakare. So takuda kutsvaga this perpendicular height. Tinoiwana chishandisa chi? The Pythagoras theorem. Saka hypotenuse yedu squared is equal to this side 5 squared plus side ratisiri kuziva x squared. What is 10 squared? Ndi 100. 10 times 10. What is 5 squared? Ndi 25 plus x squared. Then 25 oenda ku left hand side. Zoreva kuti 100 minus 25 is equal to x squared. What is 100 minus 25? Ngatishandisei panapa, I'm sorry. 100 minus 25 ndi 75. Saka 75 is equal to x squared. Saka x is equal to the square root of 75. But we know kuti 75 is 25 times 3. And we get 75 25 times 3. And chances masads. Kana apa nchangunyora answer. Kana usingamanzisi masads, indicate again in the comment section to deal now. Saka root of 25 ndiani? Saka apa answer yedu ndi 5 root 3. 5 root 3. Pano mukazvitarisisa zvoita senge zvakasiyana kuti pamusoro tawana root 3 pazasi takuwana 5 root 3. But zvakafanana. Pamusana pekuti pa triangle yedu iyi, kuti triangle ishi ive similar to this triangle, tashandisa a certain factor. Pana 2 panapa ta multiply na 5 because 2 times 5 ndi 10. And then 2 uyu zvakare tati 2 times 5 ndi 10 utawane this side. Kuti tiwane half e tati 1 times 5. Saka ta multiply ne factor 5. That is why panapa answer iri x is equals to 5 root 3. Ndi 5 ari kumultiply, ndi root 3 ari kumultiply wana factor 5. Saka iyi manje zvakudhila neanonzi masimilarity in mathematics, where we have a common factor, and saka these two triangles, they are actually similar with a common factor of 5. It's another topic, but I think you have understood what I am trying to communicate. Let us now get down to business. Ngatitange nekutsvaga sin 30. Sin 30. Then of course tinoshandisa the Chashotawo mnemonic. Saka sin 30 inenge equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Saka opposite yedu apa ndiani? Kana because kanchiti sin 30 tikutaura this 30 degrees. Opposite ya 30 degrees ndi 1. So it's going to be equal to 1 over hypotenuse ndiani? Hypotenuse ndiani? Ndi 2. Saka sin 30 is equal to half. We need to confirm with our calculator kuti sin 30 ndi half here. So let us do it. Saka taku calculator taita make sure kuti it's in degrees not radians. Panapa ndo panoratidza kuti it is in degrees not radians. Then we need sin, yes, in degrees, sin 30. Sin 30 muri kuona kuti anzi ndi 0.5. That's sin 30, and 0.5 it's half. Kureva kuti using our model yatiudza kuti sin 30 ndi half, tanoconfirma necalculator tikuona kuti sin 30 ndiani? Ndi half. Coming back here, takuda sin 60. Sin 60 manje engo yatakudila nayo nde ishi, and sin remains opposite over hypotenuse. Saka the opposite of 60 degrees ndi root 3 over the hypotenuse ndi 2. Kureva kuti sin 60 should be root 3 over 2. Saka we need to go to confirm with our calculator again kuti is it true kuti sin 60 ndi root 3 over 2. Tapa calculator yedu. This time we need sin 60. Saka sin 60 yapiwa iri 0.86602540378. Saka ngatingoitai, ngatireduce to 3 decimal places, kureva kuti ndi 0.866. Let us check now kuti ko root 3 over 2 ambori ani. The square root of 3 divided by 2. This 0.86602540378, which is similar to answer tawana patati sin of 60 degrees. So sin of 60 degrees ndi root 3 over 2. Saka we are done with sin. Let us clear the space. Tichadzoka tichi summarize zvatanga tichiita. Saka tapedza sin. Just to summarize, sin of 30 degrees ndi 1/2, sin of 60 degrees ndi root 3 over 2, and sin of 90 degrees ndi 1. It's more important to know sin of 90 degrees kuti ndi 1, because it's assumed knowledge even at ordinary level mathematics. Let us now go over to cos. We need firstly cos 30. Cos 30 manje tikatarisa pa Chashotawo, cos iri equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Saka if this is 30, the adjacent side to 30 degrees ndishi ndi root 3 over 2, and the hypotenuse ndi 2. Saka cos 30 ndiani? Ndi root 3 over 2. Let us confirm. So we need cos 30. Cos 30 it's 0.86602540378, and if you remember previously patambotsvaga sin 60 degrees tikawana iri root 3 over 2. If you remember well, you remember kuti yanga iri 0.866, so don't have to reconfirm zvatamboita. And those who have keen minds or inquisitive minds vari kutoona kutoti it seems as if cos 30 degrees na sin 60 degrees, they are both equal to root 3 over 2. We are going to give comprehensive summaries of zvatiri kuita. Let us focus on finding cos 60. Cos 60 tichati adjacent over hypotenuse. If this is 60 degrees yata kushandisa, the adjacent is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. Let us confirm, but as you can already see, sin 30 degrees is equal to half. Cos 60 degrees is also equal to half. Cos 60 is equal to 0,5, which is half. Let us go on. Taita cos 30 degrees, tikaita cos 60 degrees. Previously taita sin 30 degrees, sin 60 degrees. Let us now go over to tan. Tan of 30 degrees. The tan of 30 degrees, tikatarisa panapa tiri kuti it's opposite over adjacent. Saka nairi opposite over adjacent, 30 degrees, this is the 30, the opposite is 1, and the adjacent is root 3. So toda kuona, is it true that tan 30 degrees is 1 over root 3? Tan 30. Tan 30 rukubuda iri 0.577 to 3 decimal places. Ngatizame 1 over root 3 tono kuti is it 0.577. 1 dividing the square root of 3. It's also 0.577. So tan 30, it's actually 1 over root 3. Before we go on kutsvaga tan 60, there's something I want to show you. Tinoziva isusu kuti tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta. But we need to prove this. How true is it? Tika replace sin theta na opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. All over. To replace cos theta na adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. This is going to be equal to opposite over hypotenuse dividing adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is equal to opposite over hypotenuse multiplying hypotenuse over adjacent. Tapidi guraka because tachinja from division sign to multiplication. Hypotenuse ikachekana zvinoreva izvo kuti panapa tasara tina opposite over adjacent, of which ndiyo ta or opposite over adjacent. Saka we've just proved kuti instead of saying tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 over root 3, so atinogona kuita, tinogona kungotora the value of sin 30 over the value of cos 30. Maybe let us do it. Saka panapa tati susu tan 30 degrees is equal to sin 30 divided by cos 30. This is equal to, what is sin 30? Sin 30 tawana half pepe, so it's half divided by, what is cos 30? Cos 30 tawana root 3 over 2. Then iteta kuiti 1 over 2 times 2 over root 3. Tikacheka ma 2, answer yedu cheta 1 over root 3, which is answer yetu kuwana panapa. Saka you can choose either way of solving it. Both ways will work. Saka taita tan 30 tawana r 1 over root 3. Takuda kutsvaga tan 60. Saka tan 60 ngatishandise opposite over adjacent. Saka 60 e, the opposite ndi root 3, adjacent ndi 1. Kureva kuti final answer ndi root 3. Let us confirm kana tan 60 degrees answer iri root 3. Saka root 3 yedu ndi 1.732 to 3 decimal places. Let us check kuti tan 60 is it the same answer. Tan 60 ndi 1 over 732 again is the same correct answer. Saka let us summarize our work. We need to know kuti sin 30 degrees ndiyani, sin 60 degrees ndiyani, So sin 30 degrees ndi 1 over 2. Sin 60 degrees ndi root 3 over 2. Ko cos 30 ndi yani? Cos 30 ndi root 3 over 2. Sin cos 60 ndi 1 over 2. How about tan 30 na tan 60? Tan 30 ndi 1 over root 3 and tan 60 ndi root 3. Then kana makatarisisa muchaona kuti pane sungawirirano across the board. Kureva kuti sin 30 degrees yakafanana ne cos 60 degrees which is equal to half. Cos 30 degrees yakafanana ne sin 60 degrees which is root 3 over 2. So we need to know kuti sin 90 ndi yani? Sin 90 tatoiwana ndi 1. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Zvinova izvo kuti tan 90 is equal to sin 90 over cos 90. This is equal to 1 over 0, which is undefined. Asi kana taku A level, this is a complex number. Hatisati tasvika ikoko. Saka ndo zvatiinazvo. Maybe let us just draft a unisum conclusion. Number 1. Sin 30 degrees, it's equal to cos 60 degrees, which is equal to cos 90 degrees, which is equal to 1/2. Number 2. Cos 30 degrees is equal to sin 60 degrees, which is equal to root 3 over 2. In part 3, ngatisei matan, tati tan isusu tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 over root 3. Then tan 60 degrees it's equal to chi? To root 3. Saka pa I'm leaving it as a homework. Nda kuti mutsvage relationship iri between tan 30 degrees and tan 60 degrees. It's a little mathematics. If you have attempted, you can make me know. I'll create a video explaining it, but it's not complicated mathematics. Then number 4, tati susu sin 90 degrees is equal to 1, cos 90 degrees is equal to 0, tan 90 degrees it's undefined. Saka this is the conclusive summary of it. Tashandisa a model of an equilateral triangle of equal sides 2 and equal interior angles 60 to get sin 30, sin 60, cos 30, cos 60, tan 30, tan 60. Ndobva tazishandisa marelationships edu ne our technical know-how kuziva kuti sin 90 ndiyani, even though it's an anomaly kuti taiwana tishandisa this triangle. Cos 90 ndiyani, then eventually what is tan 90. If you have any question as pertaining zvatanga tichiita, you are free to ask in the comment section. If you have any other ordinary level mathematics question, you are free to send it directly to me or ask it in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share and like kana mabatsirika.